What is the true cost of folding by hand? Every business owner knows labor is one of the biggest costs in running a shop. So the real question is, how do you maximize the staff you already have? Let's compare the two methods side by side. Using the same team member, manual folding completed 240 shirts in 1 hour. With the FoldFlex 100, that same operator completed 360 shirts in 1 hour. That means you would need an additional 4 hours of manual folding per day just to keep up with the FoldFlex 100. And unlike a person, the FoldFlex doesn't slow down as fatigue sets in. You also get cleaner, more consistent folds across your entire production. Bagging is another physically demanding step. With the FoldFlex holding the garment in place, bagging becomes faster, easier, and far less exhausting for your team. When you remove folding as a bottleneck, your team can focus on higher value work that actually grows the business. So the question isn't whether folding can be automated, it's whether manual folding still makes sense at scale. Connect with a local dealer to see how the FoldFlex 100 fits into your workflow.